You've been eating tomatoes, maybe in your salads, maybe sliced with dinner, maybe in your pasta sauce on the weekends. And you've probably heard they're good for your prostate. That part is true. But what most men don't realize is that without one simple addition, your body absorbs only a small fraction of the compound that actually does the protecting. Thousands of men eat tomatoes every day thinking they're doing enough, and they're not wrong for eating them. They're just missing one step. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that step is, why it changes everything, and a simple recipe you can start tonight. Here's what we'll cover. First, the specific compound in tomatoes that research has connected to prostate health and the numbers behind it. Second, why your body struggles to absorb that compound on its own, and the single addition that changes the equation. And third, a step-by-step recipe that takes less than 10 minutes so you can put this into action tonight. Let's start with what tomatoes actually do inside your body, prostate, because the science is more impressive than most men realize. The compound is called lycopene. It's a natural carotenoid, the pigment that gives tomatoes their deep red color. But lycopene does far more than create color. It's one of the most powerful natural antioxidants found in any common food. A landmark study from Harvard School of Public Health, published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute in 2002, followed 47,365 men over 12 years. The researchers found that men who consumed tomato sauce 2 or more times per week had a roughly 23% lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to men who rarely ate it. For advanced prostate cancer, the kind that spreads beyond the gland, the risk reduction was closer to 35%. Think of lycopene like a protective coating on the surface of your prostate cells. It absorbs oxidative damage, the kind that accumulates quietly over decades before that damage can reach the DNA inside. Every time you eat a tomato, you're reinforcing that coating. So if you stopped watching right now, here's what you'd know. Tomatoes contain lycopene. Lycopene is associated with lower prostate cancer risk, and the Harvard data is solid. That alone puts you ahead of most men. But here's the part that changes the picture completely. What most men don't realize is that raw tomatoes, the kind you slice onto a sandwich or toss into a salad, deliver surprisingly little usable lycopene to your body. Here's why. Lycopene is tightly bound inside the plant cell walls of the tomato. Your digestive system on its own can't efficiently break those walls open. So much of the lycopene you eat passes straight through without ever reaching your bloodstream. Imagine a locked safe full of cash. The lycopene is the cash inside. But without the right key, your body can't open the safe. That key has 2 parts: heat and a small amount of healthy fat. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested this directly. 23 healthy subjects ate tomatoes cooked with olive oil, just 1 tablespoon, or tomatoes cooked without any oil. The group that ate tomatoes with olive oil showed an 82% increase in plasma lycopene levels. The group without oil? No significant change in the primary form of lycopene at all. Let that sink in for a moment. If you've been slicing raw tomatoes into your salad every night, which is what most men do, your body has been getting only a fraction of what's actually available in that tomato. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, added while cooking, changes the equation entirely. And there's more. Researchers at Heinrich Heine University in Germany found that processed tomato products, like tomato paste or canned sauce, deliver approximately 2.5 times more bioavailable lycopene than raw fresh tomatoes. The processing itself breaks down those cell walls before the tomato even reaches your plate. And here's the part that surprised even the researchers. An expanded analysis from Harvard, following nearly 50,000 men over 23 years, found that men with the highest lycopene intake had roughly half the risk of developing lethal prostate cancer, the aggressive kind, compared to men with the lowest intake. That's not a small difference. That's a 53% reduction in risk for the most dangerous form. But here's what was truly counterintuitive. Lycopene consumed earlier in the study, years and even decades before, was more strongly associated with lower risk than recent intake. In other words, starting now and staying consistent matters more than trying to make up for lost time later. This isn't a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy your body has been waiting for. So here's where we are. Tomatoes are genuinely protective. The data supports it. But the way most men eat them leaves most of the benefit locked away. The combination of heat plus healthy fat is what unlocks the full potential of lycopene. Quick question before we get to the recipe. How many times a week do you eat tomatoes? Drop your number in the comments. 1, 2, 5, more. I want to see how many of you are already on the right track. And if this is the first time you're hearing about the olive oil connection, hype this video. 3 free per week. It helps more men find this. Now, let's get to exactly how to do this right. Here's your step-by-step protocol. Step 1. Start with cooked tomatoes, not raw. Tomato sauce, canned crushed tomatoes, or tomato paste all work well. If you prefer fresh tomatoes, that's fine. Just cook them first. The heat breaks down the cell walls and releases the lycopene from the plant matrix so your body can actually access it. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil while you're cooking. Avocado oil works too. Lycopene is fat soluble. Without that fat, your intestine can't absorb it efficiently. The oil acts as a transport vehicle carrying the lycopene into your bloodstream. Step 3. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. The longer lycopene is heated in oil, the more it converts into a form your body absorbs more easily. Step 4. Aim for 2 to 4 servings per week. You don't need to eat tomatoes every single day. Consistency beats quantity. The Harvard data showed the strongest protective effect at 2 or more servings per week of tomato sauce specifically. Here's a simple recipe you can make tonight. 1 can of crushed tomatoes, about 400 grams, or 4 medium fresh tomatoes diced. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of black pepper, optional, garlic, basil, oregano for flavor, and additional anti-inflammatory benefit. Cook 15 minutes on medium heat. Use it on pasta, over rice, with eggs in the morning, or just eat it as a simple soup. Now, 3 common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, eating tomatoes raw and expecting the full lycopene benefit. Raw is good for other nutrients, but for lycopene, cooking is essential. Mistake 2, choosing fat-free tomato sauce. It sounds healthier, but you're removing the very thing that helps your body absorb lycopene. A little fat is not the enemy here, it's the mechanism. Mistake 3, relying on ketchup. Ketchup is heavily processed with added sugar, and the lycopene concentration is much lower than in simple cooked tomato sauce. Stick with the real thing, what to expect. The first week, you won't notice anything dramatic. Lycopene accumulates gradually in your tissues. By weeks 2 through 4, you're building consistent plasma levels. After 6 to 8 weeks of regular intake, you've reached the kind of sustained levels the research associates with prostate protective effects. And over months and years, the benefit compounds. Remember, the Harvard data showed that earlier, consistent intake was the strongest predictor. One pattern we've seen again and again, men who make this one switch from raw tomatoes to cooked with olive oil and stick with it for 2 to 3 months often say the same thing. In the words of one man, 69, who shared his experience, "I can't believe the answer was in my kitchen this whole time." And your kitchen has more answers than your medicine cabinet. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're one simple change away from giving your prostate exactly what it's been asking for. And that change starts tonight with something you already have at home. If this helped, use your free hype this week. Takes 3 seconds and helps us reach more men who need this. Now, tomatoes with olive oil work on one specific mechanism, but there's another seed. One you've probably walked past 100 times at the grocery store. That works on a completely different pathway. And when you combine what you learned today with what I'll show you in the next video, the effect on your prostate support is something most men never discover. I'll see you there.